Why underground tanks float, and how to stop it with outriggers. Have you ever seen an empty underground water tank float out of the ground like a boat? It sounds crazy, but when the water table is high, the upward buoyant force can easily push a concrete structure right out of the soil. To stop this, structural engineers design an anti-flotation outrigger, which is simply an extension of the base slab beyond the outer walls. Today, we will calculate exactly how wide this outrigger needs to be using a simple numerical example. Imagine an underground concrete tank. It is 5 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 4 meters deep. The total volume of this tank is 100 cubic meters. If groundwater reaches the surface, the upward buoyant force equals the volume multiplied by the density of water. 100 multiplied by 10 kilonewtons per cubic meter gives us an uplift force of 1000 kilonewtons. Now, let's say the empty concrete tank itself only weighs 600 kilonewtons. We have a major problem. 1000 kilonewtons pushing up, but only 600 pushing down. The tank will float. To be safe, our total downward force must be 1.2 times the uplift force. 1.2 multiplied by 1000 means we need 1200 kilonewtons pushing down. We already have 600 from the concrete itself. So, we need exactly 600 kilonewtons of extra weight from the soil resting on our outrigger extension. Let's find the outrigger area. The submerged soil weighs about 10 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Since the tank is 4 meters deep, every square meter of our outrigger will hold a column of soil weighing 40 kilonewtons. To find the area, we divide our required 600 kilonewtons by 40. This means we need a total outrigger area of 15 square meters wrapping around the tank. To find the actual width of this outrigger lip, we divide the area by the tank's perimeter. Our 5 by 5 meter tank has a perimeter of 20 meters. 15 square meters divided by 20 meters gives us 0.75 meters. Therefore, we must extend the base slab outward by 750 millimeters on all four sides. The weight of the soil on this 750 millimeter outrigger will safely anchor the tank to the earth. And that is how you secure an underground structure. Check the description for the math, and thanks for watching.